Hi guys, Rocco the Pancho here. Today I'm going to show you unboxing this Spigen iPhone case for iPhone 8 and 7, and this is the box. Ultra Hybrid 2, the model of this Spigen case for iPhone. As you can see, we have the air cushion technology. Military grade says to us here, and this is the classic Spigen case for the iPhone. So let's have. It says that it's very slim. You got some instruction about the installation. Okay, pretty easy. As you can see, very thin. And okay, let's unboxing. It says that to try it, you have to pull it like here. So I'm doing like here. And let's see the case. Here is the case for the iPhone 8 and 7. Here it is. Here we have the plug, and this is Ultra Hybrid 2, which means it's very clear. So you can see, of course, you have to remove this sticker from this side and from this side. And you can see you have this for the camera. Here's the top. It has the air cushion, which means it's like a silicone type of case, not hard plastic. As you can see, it's stretched, so it's like a silicone hard case, and it's very thin. As you can see, of course, we have here for the button, for the mute over here, the camera. Of course, here is our button, and this is it, our plug case for iPhone 8 and 7.